Hey, this is John with Spoiled Biker. We're just introducing our new adapter that we've created for people that have an OEM intercom headset, like a Goldwing headset, a Harley headset. It could be made by J&M, but basically anything with a 5 or 7 pin standard DIN connection. And if you want to use that on a different motorcycle, or just to connect to your iPod or phone, listen to music, this adapter will allow you to do that. It costs about $25 right now at spoiledbiker.com and is a nifty little device. You know, a lot of people spend a lot of money to have a great J&M headset in their helmet, and if you have more than one bike you ride, you're not going to be able to take advantage of it on your other bikes, your non-Goldwing or Harley bike. So this allows you to plug it in. It does not support microphone on if you connect to a phone. It's just stereo music at this point, but it's a great little adapter. Let us know if you have any questions.